Where in Los Angeles do you find a world-class functioning vineyard? Well, it's right here. Hello and welcome. My name is Gerard Bizignano with Vista Sotheby's International Realty, and welcome to Via Onero, House of Dreams. This is situated in the private, guarded community of Rolling Hills. The exact address is 30 Portuguese Bend. So Via Onero is an amazing piece of property. It sits on 5 usable acres. It's probably the best piece of land in the city of Rolling Hills. It's populated with 2,500 grapevines. It's producing world-class Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. The residence is 6,200 square feet with 6 bedrooms and 6 baths. It's one level and it's a mid-century modern style. So you enter the residence at the bottom of a very long driveway, and as you're coming up, you're surrounded by vineyards, and you suddenly, when you get to the top, you look out and see the amazing views that this property offers. The views run from Malibu all the way to downtown Los Angeles. So here we are, the master bedroom. The master sits in its own wing at one end of the house. There's a great deal of privacy. It has its own view balcony, and at night, to see the city of Los Angeles with all the lights, it's unbelievable. There's a her bathroom and a his bathroom, of course, with his and hers closets also. So now we're in this great kitchen, and it's a gathering spot. It's so big and so welcoming. The pool is right outside, and it's a real chef's kitchen. It's great for entertaining and for preparing meals for many, many people. And then of course the views of Los Angeles are just out this way. So you get views from every angle here. The city of Rolling Hills mostly has ranch-style Mediterranean homes, so to find a very large, very stylish mid-century modern home is very rare. Just off the pool is this outdoor kitchen area. It's got an authentic pizza oven and then barbecue sink, refrigerator, and then just off to the side is an amazing city lights view sitting area. Oh, the wine room. There are 2,500 grapevines planted on the property with Chardonnay and Pinot grapes. The Chardonnay actually got a 91 rating with Wine Enthusiast. There's also 85 olive trees that produce over 600 liters of world-class olive oil. There are many paths, and you can meander through the vineyards and through the herb gardens and the vegetable gardens and the fruit trees, and many sitting areas are on the property which all offer just amazing views. Thank you for allowing me to give you a tour of this fantastic property. Via Onero, House of Dreams.